everybody, welcome back to Mustangs by Matt. Today we're going to be installing the Velossa Tech Intake Resonator Delete for the 2015 and up Mustang EcoBoost and V6. The GT already doesn't come with this little resonator right here, so if you have a GT you don't have to worry about it. This is just for the EcoBoost crowd. We're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are the tools and parts you're going to need. Obviously the Velossa Tech Resonator Delete, some black silicone or gray silicone, whatever you have. It's not required, but I like to use it just to seal up the intakes so stuff doesn't get in there. A 10mm socket to remove the intake box from the car, a 1/4" drive ratchet, possibly an extension, a flathead screwdriver, or a panel removal tool. I'll show you why you need that later. A 8mm socket or 5/16, depending on what kind of intake setup you have. We are going to be attempting to remove this resonator with the dremel. We're going to start off with that. Failing that, we're going to back up to the saw. And because we're going to be using power tools, we're going to use safety glasses and hearing protection. So that's everything you're going to need. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to remove this 10mm bolt. Believe it or not, this is the only thing holding this airbox into the engine bay. Now we're going to disconnect the other side of the air tube. Now we pull the air temperature sensor, push down this little release, comes right out. Take your panel pry tool and release the Christmas tree clip. Put it off to the side. Alright, so pull that loose, and with this bolt out, it just comes right, it just lifts out. And this will slide into a big air mouth intake that comes directly from the front grille. Alright, here we are at the workbench. We have our eye protection, both me and the camera operator. We've got our dremel, and this is where we're going to be cutting. Right above this shoulder, right here, we're just going to lop it off right there, and that should be the perfect size to fit this plug. So let's get started. We're going to try this. Yay! Success! Alright, so what happened there, we started with the dremel, but we had to move on to another cutting implement because of the way that this is just shaped. It was too deep here where we needed to get to use the Dremel. The Dremel wheel that I had just wasn't wide enough. If you have a wider Dremel wheel or something else, you can use that. Anything to cut is going to be good enough because this is going away. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you get all of that out of your intake before you reinstall it into the car. We're going to blow this whole thing out with compressed air. That's all the dirt and nastiness that's in your factory intake. It's not a bad idea to take this thing out anyway and just give it a good clean once in a while. There's just so much. Alright, let's take those off. So now we're going to do a test fit. We're going to see just how well this sits on here. Alright, well that's it. So the only thing left to do now is install it in the car. Alright, so what I've done here is I put a nice thick bead of gray silicone on here to just seal this up. They don't say to do it, Velossa Tech doesn't say to do it, but it's not a bad idea. You know, it's not going to hurt anything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reinstall this into the car, slide this back into that same slot that it came out of. Okay. Just pops right down. Reinstall that bolt. If you haven't lost your 10mm driver by now. Hook up the rest of your intake, and that's it. Job done. Of that is coming through the camera, but we'll do a couple more pulls, see if we can get a better idea of whether or not the Velossa Tech Resonator Delete is worth the money. Around 4,000 RPM or so, it tends to pick up a little bit. But in the normal driving range, where you're going to be 2,000-3,000 RPM, you're not going to notice it. I wouldn't recommend against purchasing it, but it's not something you should go out and buy thinking it's going to make your car sound a lot better. I did it so that I could bring it to y'all and you wouldn't have to waste the money, because I did. So back to the garage. So that was the installation and review of the Velossa Tech Intake Resonator Delete for the 2015 and up Mustang. It's not something that I would go out of my way to do again. That being said, I have it. You can tell that it's a little bit louder in the upper RPM range, but that's about it. So, thanks for watching. Drive safe, have fun, and God bless America.
If you want me to do that, I will. Just let me know.
Yeah, that's fine.